In this video, we're going to try to recover this failed hard disk drive. As you can see, I already removed all the screws. And let's open this. And do this only when you are sure that you have no plan of sending this to data recovery center. Let's open this. Okay, confirm. As you can see, the read-write head is stuck on the middle of the platter. The read-write head should be on this position during unpowered. Okay, let's connect this to our docking. And computer management is already open. This management, there's no hard drive aside from the system drive. And as you can see here, I don't know if you can hear the spindle motor. The spindle is trying to spin but unable due to the stuck up read-write head. Let's turn off. Now we're going to rotate slightly this platter, then adjust this head to the middle. Okay, the platter should be free-wheeled. Now let's try to power this thing again. Okay, spinning. We should expect data. Okay, that's the data. Access. Okay, that is how to recover a hard disk drive that is not spinning and has a stuck up read-write head. Thank you.